Yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Buck's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. Today, I'm outside in my little outdoor atmosphere. You know what I mean? Today, I'm boiling just a few, maybe 15 pounds of crawfish. But I'm going to let you know, show you what goes on as far as the ingredients and the equipment and the cleaning of the crawfish. And that's important, the cleaning of the crawfish. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to use my walk of shame, and I'm going to go ahead and let the crawfish go ahead and work their way down my walk of shame and into the purging ice chest. Okay, and it's got salt in it, so they're going to regurgitate, get it all out of their system. When we're done, the water's almost black. But that's cool, because that's what I want. I want to get the mud out of them. So whenever I do cook them, I don't have that mud all over the body and a little bait and all kinds of other stuff. You know what I mean. Anyway, this Chef Bork, let's get the show on the road, Chef. We're going to have a good day today. Hallelujah. Hot day. First thing I want to do, I want to add about a half a box of salt to my ice chest. That ought to do it. Right now I'm filling this little ice chest up. Got salt water in there. And that should be enough for a while. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my crawfish and put them on the walk of shame. Get my walk of shame a little bit slick for these birds. Oh yeah. Come on, fella. Let's go. Yeah, I'm only doing 15 pounds today. Just 15 pounds. I'm only feeding maybe 2 or 3 people, 4 at the most. And I'm gonna have some potatoes and some corn. Look at them rascals. Boy, that's some big boys there. Hot dang, look at that. You go, boys. Y'all gotta work your way down there. And the reason I do this, if there's any dead ones, they're usually gonna hang around. Unless they, they ain't going nowhere unless they drug in there by my buddies. Well, that's some nice ones here. And they're going in. And they're going to work their way. Come on, boys. You can't fight it. You can't fight it. You got to go for it. You need to get the mud off of you. The water was clean a minute ago. See, this is what purging does for you. They're in that salt water. I'm gonna let them sit in there for a while, just so after a while that water's gonna be black. I'm gonna have to drain it out real good. Anyway, that's what we got going on today. This is the first process that I always go through right here. We're gonna work our way over to my master boiler. All right. All right, this is gonna be the master boiler right here. Just as you see it. Your crawfish goes in here. When you dump right into an ice chest. This is a 90 quart, and I love it. That's the drain right here. This I drain into a little ditch, and it takes care of all the business. Hey, it's all good. Need a little paddle eventually. Won't be long. And on this side here, I've got a propane tank. And this one comes with a propane tank holder. Anyway, I'm gonna start running my water, filling this up where I need it to be. Then I'm gonna go ahead, finish up put my potatoes and stuff. I'm gonna let that stuff kind of cook a while. Once it's cooked good enough, it's gonna go into an ice chest, a small ice chest, which you'll see. And at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and try to keep the sound down as much as I can. Oh yeah, because this baby here has a little roar to it. I think I'm gonna have to back off a good distance, and might not hear me talk, but you'll see my actions. All right, the chef book. Let me start filling this rascal up with water. Hot dang.